All right.
Let it come.
There's Red Lobster. All right, so.
I like Red Lobster.
Did you like Red Lobster?
Yeah.
Red Lobster to go. So there's the Caesar salad, which was extra. And here's the lobster tail and the shrimp. So it's garlic shrimp and the lobster tail. It comes with butter and a lemon and mashed potatoes. So it's all packaged. This is how the $20 all-you-can shrimp is packaged. There's 2 garlic shrimps, and then 2 of the other kinds of shrimps are just in containers. And there's 2 sauces. So there's the mussels with garlic. There's 2 packages of steamed broccoli and biscuits. There's the biscuits, the famous cheese biscuits, and they're in there. They come in a nice bag. There's a nice tray, a tin, and everything seems to be packed nice. And silverware.